Right now, as you're watching this video, there are creatures beneath you that look like they came straight out of a horror movie. Some have glowing lights on their heads, teeth longer than their own bodies, faces that don't look real. Some don't even look alive, and yet they are. The deep ocean is home to the most extreme life forms ever discovered on Earth. No sunlight, crushing pressure, freezing temperatures. So why do deep-sea creatures look so horrifying? Is it evolution gone wrong? Or evolution perfected beyond our understanding? By the end of this video, you may never look at the ocean the same way again. The ocean looks calm from the surface, but that is not as it seems. Below about 650 feet, sunlight disappears forever. This region, often called the Midnight Zone, is darker than the deepest cave on Earth. Down here, temperatures hover near freezing. Pressure is strong enough to crush submarines. Food is incredibly rare. To put it simply, this is one of the most hostile environments on the planet. And when life evolves in hellish conditions, it doesn't come out cute. It comes out terrifying. On land, animals use sight to survive. But in the deep sea, sight may not be a requirement for survival. Evolution does something extraordinary. Some creatures develop massive light-sensitive eyes. Others lose their eyes completely. Do you know what the most disturbing adaptation in the ocean depth is? Bioluminescence. Living lights in total darkness. Some animals glow to lure prey closer. Others use flashing lights to confuse enemies. Some even create fake eyes to scare predators away. Imagine floating in pitch-black water, and suddenly, a glowing mouth opens in front of you. Isn't that scary? In the deep sea, food is not guaranteed. A creature might go weeks, even months, without eating. So, when prey appears in the deep, there is no second chance. That's why many deep-sea predators have oversized mouths, transparent heads, needle-sharp teeth that curve inward in the lessness. Some can even swallow prey larger than themselves. Others have jaws that unhinge like a snake's. Why does this look horrifying to humans? Because our brains associate exposed teeth with danger, and deep-sea creatures take that to the extreme. To them, it's not scary. It's survival. At extreme depths, pressure changes everything. Bones soften, bodies lose structure, flesh becomes jelly-like. That's why many deep-sea creatures look melted, deformed, almost unfinished. But these shapes are not weaknesses. They allow animals to float effortlessly, conserve energy, to other, survive pressure that would instantly kill us day. They don't look like Earth creatures because they live in conditions closer to another planet. In the deep ocean, there is no chase, only ambush. Many predators don't rely on speed, they rely on surprise. They sense vibrations in the water, electrical signals from living bodies, and even tiny movements humans could never detect. You wouldn't see them coming. You wouldn't hear them. You wouldn't feel them until it's too late. That loss of control is terrifying to the human mind. We fear the dark, and the deep sea is darkness without end. On land, evolution favors balance and familiarity. In the deep sea, evolution has no such limits. Creatures evolve in isolation for millions of years. No humans, no surface predators, no rules. The result? Life forms that feel completely alien. This is why scientists often say, if aliens exist, they probably look more like deep-sea creatures than little green men. And that thought alone is unsettling. Deep-sea creatures aren't terrifying because they're aggressive. They're terrifying because they remind us of something uncomfortable. Humans are not at the top of every food chain. There are places on Earth where we are powerless, where we don't belong. The deep ocean doesn't care about fear. It doesn't care about beauty. It only rewards survival. The deep sea isn't filled with monsters. It's filled with survivors. Creatures shaped by darkness, pressure, and time. Creatures that prove life will exist anywhere, no matter how extreme. And the most frightening part? We've explored less than 5% of the ocean, meaning the most horrifying creatures on Earth may still be waiting to be discovered. If this video made you uncomfortable, that's the point. Hit like if you learned something new. Subscribe for more deep ocean mysteries. And comment below, which deep sea creature do you think is the most terrifying, and why? Because the deeper we go, the darker it gets.